we were the ones on the top 10 pioneer bloggers in the world. And some of these people are blogging still, but they're doing it on other platforms. Some have even stopped. Sandra Rose, do you remember Sandra Rose? All the gist in Atlanta. These are real people who are blogging. So there's one that I want, Abigail's blog, Black Celebrity Kids. Please, everybody must go there. Learn something. If you want to blog about celebrities' children, okay? Abigail has been blogging since 1999. BCK, look it up on your phone. BCK, Black Celebrity Kids. All the children on her blog are Black American celebrities' children, when they have babies, everything. There's something to blog about. Do you know what I mean? But when you're blogging, okay, don't cross the line of where a journalist has to investigate something, because bloggers are not investigators. Okay, I'm an investigative journalist and I was trained for that. Then also when you're blogging, try as much as possible. This is Africa. Create content, make videos. I mean, you know what I'm talking about? Make videos. Put those videos on your YouTube, monetize them on YouTube. Look at what Emaya, look what he's doing. You know? Put them on YouTube. Still put your videos in reels. Bloggers, don't put somebody else's footage in a Facebook reel. They'll ban you for 1 year. Okay, Facebook in-stream ads is money, $2,000, $3,000 every 30 days. Sure, you're hearing me? Yeah. 2,000, 3,000, even 4,000. The Nigerians that are abroad who can make that money easy, they're not ready to learn. Start putting your stuff into reels. Once these people start monetizing Africa, you will make money. You know, and there are companies who can actually manage some of the accounts abroad. You know, that your stuff can be monetized, but YouTube and TikTok is monetized in Africa. So start creating content. Go to the market. I went to Makola Market. One market like this is somewhere down here. Accra, you know at Makola?
Yeah, Makola.
I went there. I went there just to go and see a Burna Boy billboard. So when I got there, I said, who are the women that were dancing in here? Show me. And some of them came out and they did the dance again with me. And then I took the footage. I haven't posted it anywhere yet. When I post it, they're gonna have in-stream ads on there and I'm gonna make money. You know what I'm saying? So start creating content, video content. Alright? Get that 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube. How much is it on TikTok? 10,000?
No, 1,000.
10,000 on TikTok. Just get those subscribers. How do you get subscribers? You guys have Facebook friends. Post it on your Facebook. Tell your friends to post it on their friends' Facebook. You have to promote yourself. You can't be a blogger and say, I don't want to do this. Promote yourself. Do the cloud thing. Excuse me, is Bongo in here? Bongo, are you here? He's not here? He didn't come. Bongo is some Ghanaian blogger who insulted me on Twitter and said, lady, you should face your failed career. I said, who said my career is failed? Why did he insult me? For clout. Simply because I said the Afrobeat Grammy is going to a Ghanaian artist. Oh, don't worry about the Nigerians, because that was 2,002 comments on my Facebook and everybody called me mad woman. Okay? The Afrobeat Grammy is going to a Ghanaian and it's two of them.
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
I mean, did I not tell? Are you not clapping? Okay, let me just say this. So, Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences Grammys, Canadian Academy Caras, Canadian Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences, Canadian Grammys, Junos. I was a judge in the Junos in 2011, 40th Junos in Canada. So I know about this stuff. And I was a music journalist a lot of times when I was doing music blogging. And let me tell you guys, looking at hip-hop, the way hip-hop is going in Africa, it's dead in Nigeria. South Africa and Ghana are the only ones keeping hip-hop alive. So I picked Sarkodie and Blacko Sheriff. You know, I said these two are the ones that are going to get that nomination, and one of them is going to win. You know? So I tell the truth because there's music here. People are singing, they're rapping in indigenous languages. You want to clean your Airbnb up, you play 67 Sakodi songs on bootleg, right? That's what I do. So I tell the truth, that's all it is. And so Bongo was talking about Sarkodie did not make a flight to somewhere and he left. I think the flight was somewhere in America. You know that flight that they missed for the concert. And I said, what's your problem? This is one of your own people. You should celebrate him. Please. These guys are bigger than the American rappers. Bongo now went on me and said, lady, old lady, face your face your failed career. I'm like, who is this one? I mean, I didn't tell you about that. Oh my God. I'm like, where's Angelo? Sarkodie's manager. Let me talk about this Bongo boy. But Bongo my tweet got a lot of retweets because I praise Sarkodie and Blacko, but the insults he gave me back also got a lot of retweets. But he used clout. If Bongo were here today, he would come to me and hug me. You know what I mean? So try to use positive clout when you are blogging. You understand what I'm saying? Blogging has no boundaries. If you want to gist about something, like there are people here that's going to go out there and say, Kemi was here. Dr.Kemi was here. She was wearing the Ashoebi for Tiwa Savage. This is what we wore for Tiwa Savage's father's funeral. September of 2021. You can see that my hands grew longer. This was here. But it's like, oh yeah, I recognize that outfit. You can write whatever you want, but never defame anybody. It's very important. I spent 6 months in prison. I hope you guys know that, right? I mean, do they know? I spent 6 months in prison 3 times. They arrested me 3 times. And I didn't defame anybody. A pastor in Nigeria, David Ibiomi, he had me arrested because of an article that he said I wrote. And I didn't write the article. It was a news tip someone sent to me, 8 pages. And I posted the first page and I used the right words. Bloggers, listen carefully. The right words, allegations, allegedly. Use those words to save yourself from trouble. I used them, but the Nigerian police didn't know what they were. They still arrested me. Allegations is a non-affirmative word, and allegedly that says that it's alleged. Reportedly means they reported it, but it's not real, or it may not be real. Use those words a lot on blogs. So after 3 arrests, the judges dismissed the case. Okay, Pastor Biomi sued me in federal court and in magistrate, but both judges dismissed the case. Okay, the person that prosecuted me, his spiritual son, Kennedy Okoko, he died. Kennedy paid journalists not to report it, that their case was thrown out. He died like 2 years ago. By the end of the day, it was me that came to tell my own story that everything was dismissed by the court. But what I went through, losing my blog, hnnafrica.com, yeah, I lost my blog. The domain was the first to go. They locked me up when it was time to renew my domain, and it was not automatic renewal. Make sure your domains are automatic renewals. You don't know where you're going to be, so that you don't lose your domain. So it's a part of my story. I'm writing a book about it now. But blogging, we can all correct all the past mistakes. Don't take news tips from anybody. Even I was a journalist. If you cannot verify the information on that news tip, don't post anything. So the whole thing was not, oh, she published it. It was like she wrote it. They even said, I wrote it and sent it to myself on a fake Instagram account. It took Instagram to get me out of that prison. Facebook's legal department wrote a letter to the judge and said, the phone number of the Instagram account that sent this news tip to her is a Nigerian number. And they linked it to Iyabo Ojo's NGO. The person in the story that they said was having an affair with the pastor, apparently Iyabo Ojo's NGO. Does it make sense to you? Why would Iyabo be sending me a fake news tip? It turned out to be her PA. Her personal assistant. I'm telling you this part because of legal stuff. Her personal assistant stole her money, fled. Iyabo went to the police, CID, filed a complaint, and that girl sent those 8-page fake stuff. To me, the journalist. And another Nollywood actress paid her to send it to the journalist, and the journalist was locked up. You see what I'm saying? Don't be a victim of that. Don't take any news tip. Nollywood girls are like that. They destroy each other, they use a journalist. Politicians will use bloggers to get stuff out. Don't fall for those things. Attract brands. Attract big brands. You know what I mean by brands, right? Who is making the cube here? Onga, Food Cube, all the brands that Ameyo has, all of those different brands. Attract your Ghanaian brands and your foreign brands. The Americans everywhere here. You know what I mean? Attract brands, do different things. Don't go for like petty gossip or somebody trying to use you. I get a lot of mail. Can you help me call this person out? I don't call people out. You know what I mean? I went to prison. I don't call people out. I don't do this. And I never sued the pastor. I never sued anybody. I just left everything. Okay, I could be suing and making money on the side, but at the end of the day, don't get into that.